Welcome to Black's Law Dictionary on TRUSTRAWFACTS. Feel free to comment and follow for more. Public policy, legal laws, policy codes. Is public policy a legal law or policy codes of a Ponzi scheme? A legal statute is a law that is created by a legislative body, such as a state legislature or Congress. Statutes are known as acts or codes. Statutes are a major part of the laws that govern a society, along with regulations. The main difference between statutes and regulations is how they are created. Legal statute, created by the legislative branch of government. For example, the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Sarbanes-Oxley Act are statutes. Regulations, created by agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency to supplement laws passed by the legislature. Regulations are also known as rules. Statutes can also authorize administrative regulations, and they can modify or overturn court decisions. Statutes, an act of the legislature, a particular law enacted and established by the will of the legislative department of government, expressed with the requisite formalities. Statutes are public and private. A private statute is one which concerns only certain designated individuals and affects only their private rights. All other statutes are public. Code Civil Proc. Cal S. 1808. Statutes. In foreign and civil law, any particular municipal law or usage, though resting for its authority on judicial decision or the practice of nations. 2 Kent, Com 456. The whole municipal law of a particular state, from whatever source arising. Story, Connell Laws, S12. Statute also sometimes means a kind of bond or obligation of record, being an abbreviation for statute merchant or statute staple. Regulation, the act of regulating, a rule or order prescribed for management or government, a regulation principle, a precept. Webster. Public policy, the principles under which the freedom of a contract or private dealings is restricted by law for the good of the community. The term policy, as applied to a statute, regulation, rule of law, course of action, or the like, refers to its probable effect, tendency, or object, considered with reference to the social or political well-being of the state. Thus, certain classes of acts are said to be against public policy when the law refuses to enforce or recognize them on the ground that they have a mischievous tendency, so as to be injurious to the interests of the state, apart from illegality or immorality. Legal codes, or simply a code, is a collection or compendium of laws, a complete system of positive law, legislative authority. Digest of statutes. These consist of an orderly collection and classification of the existing statutes of a state or nation, while a code is promulgated as one new law covering the whole field of jurisprudence. Comment what you liked about this edification and follow for more. You've been watching TRF's Black's Law Dictionary on TRUSTRAWFACTS.